Hello and welcome to my channel, The Craft Ninja. Today I'm going to show you how to use washi tape to upcycle product packaging. You'll need a few supplies for this. I'm using the packaging from a cover for a happy planner, my Xyron Creative Station, some washi tape, some printer paper, and a couple other supplies along the way. First, I'm going to run 2 sheets of paper through my Creative Station, so I turn them into 2 giant stickers. Next, I'm going to burnish the back of the pieces of paper so I can make sure that all the glue sticks to the paper so it can adhere to the box. I'm using my Tim Holtz bench scraper here along with a Teflon bone folder. Now this box was really sturdy, which made me think I can use this for something else. The reason I have the plain paper is because washi tape is somewhat translucent, and so I don't want the pattern from the packaging peeking through that beautiful washi tape that I'm going to be putting on there. I'm covering the front and back side, the front of the box first, and then I'm going to cover the remainder of the sides. Make sure you press down hard to make sure that the piece of paper and the box stick together and form a good seal. Just using my craft knife to cut off the extra piece of paper that we'll use for the other side. And while I'm not using it, I'm going to stick it on that piece of sticker paper so it doesn't stick to anything I don't want it to. Just cut the paper at the corners so you can fold them over flat into the inside of the box so you can have nice looking seams. Measure that gap on the short edges of the box to make sure that I don't waste too much paper, and I'm going to put paper on those sides, and then we'll be done covering the box with paper. It's time for washi. I have 2 sets of washi tape from Teresa Collins. Both will be linked in the description box below. And here, when you're putting washi on, it's really whatever you think looks good. I'm just trying to find a good position for my first one, and I really like this really bold make things happen. I think that's a great foundation, and then I'm going to build off of it from there. When I'm adhering my washi tape to this box, I'm going to use my Teflon bone folder to burnish that washi tape down to the paper so it sticks really well and doesn't come up. That's another reason why I covered the box with paper, was because that product packaging has a plastic coating on it that would make the washi tape peel up, and so having that rougher surface of paper lets the washi tape adhere better. So here we go a-washing. Enjoy! Get zen, put your washi on your box, and have fun with it. And there we go, after dealing with the slightly awkward crossing of the washi tape in the back, there we have a beautiful box that is ready to be set on your desk and used for whatever organizational purposes you want. We can put our planner cover in there with our Teresa Collins Happy Planner in it, or you could put some stickers in there, whatever you'd like. This is a fun project that you can do with any type of packaging that you have. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye! Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all things social. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!